In this video, I'm going to show you how to make lentil sloppy joes. This is a vegan twist on a classic favorite, so you don't want to miss it. I will be using the Instapot in today's video, but if you prefer to cook stovetop, check the description for a link to both printable recipes. So right now I'm going to turn the saute on. I'm going to let that heat up. I'm going to stick a little bit of vegetable broth in while that's warming up. And I'm going to take 1 cup of onions, this is a half of a medium onion. I'm going to dump it in. And I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of pressed garlic. Okay, so now I added in the onions, I got them going, and now I added in some minced carrots and minced green peppers. Now, if you prefer your sloppy joes to be a little more chunkier, you can also just dice the carrots and the peppers. But I actually prefer the lentils to be the star of the show. Now we need to add in the celery, which is 2 cups of minced celery, which is the same if you prefer diced. You want a chunkier, more textured sloppy joe. So while these are still cooking, I'm gonna add some spices, some flavor. Add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of vegan Worcestershire, and we used this in the last recipe. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So let's give that a quick mix up. This is looking really good. We're going to turn off the saute. We're going to hit cancel. And we're going to start adding the other ingredients. To slow the cooking process down, we're just going to put in the rest of the vegetable broth, which was 4 cups, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, which is in a 2-cup Pyrex, 1/4 cup of organic sugar, and 1/4 cup of tomato paste, and lastly, the star of the show is our lentils. I use green lentils. This is 2.5 cups of dry, cleaned lentils. You always want to make sure that you clean them before you cook them. So we're going to give this a good mix. Okay, so now we're going to close the lid. We're going to hit bean and chili, but we're going to turn it down to 25. Now this is going to have a natural release of 10 minutes. So right now we're going to let that go, and I'm going to clean up, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so now we're at a 10-minute quick release. We're going to hit cancel, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the pressure. Put the towel down, and we're going to hit the pressure button, and we're going to let this release. Please be careful, the towel gets very hot. These came out amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these cool down, and then I am going to package them up. Okay, so I got the sloppy joes all packed up. This recipe yields a lot. I filled 3 pint containers at 3/4 high to freeze, 1 full pint for my father-in-law to have sandwiches all week, and 1 Pyrex. This is roughly about 4 cups for this week to make lunch and some dinner wraps. To taste these sloppy joes, I'm using Char's gluten-free ciabatte buns. So I'm gonna try the sloppy joes. They're not that sloppy because I don't like things messy, but they're really good. You can visit the meal prep page on my website to learn some tips, supplies, and equipment I used. The link will be below in the description. And I'll see you in the next video.